In this video, you will learn how to integrate a Fortigate unit into a Windows Active Directory network to provide single sign-on access to the Internet. First, you'll need to install the FSSO agent on the Windows domain. Run the setup for the Fortinet FSSO collector agent. Select your access method. Enter the collector agent IP and listening port. Select the domains to monitor and any users who you want to be exempt from monitoring. Set the working mode and complete the installation. Next, edit the FSSO agent settings. If required, select Require Authenticated Connection from Fortigate and add a password. You will also enter this password when configuring the FSSO on the Fortigate unit. Edit the logging settings as needed. Now you'll need to direct the Fortigate to the FSSO agent. In the Fortigate unit interface, go to User and Device, Authentication, Single Sign-On. Create a new entry, selecting Fortinet Single Sign-On Agent, and entering the name and IP or hostname of the Windows AD domain controller. Enter the previously entered FSSO password. To use FSSO groups in Fortigate policies, you'll need to create a Fortigate user group to contain them. Go to the user group list and create a new FSSO group, adding the imported AD groups to the members list. You'll also need to create a local LAN address for FSSO policies. Go to the address list and create a local LAN address with the local subnet, an internal port interface. Lastly, create the policy that will allow FSSO traffic to access the Internet. Go to the policy list and create a user identity policy. From the internal port interface to the Internet-facing interface. Set the source address to the local LAN address. Then add an authentication rule, allowing the FSSO group to access the web. Windows AD users and groups will be able to connect to multiple services using the Windows AD single sign-on account. Go to Log and Report, Traffic Log, Forward Traffic. Windows AD users and groups will appear in log messages like other Fortigate users and groups. You can view the connected users in User and Device, Monitor, Firewall. Thank you for watching. If you need further details, you can visit docs.fortinet.com at any time to access Fortinet's complete documentation library.